Today topic is 5 molecular orbitals of 1,3-butadiene. 1,3-butadiene. Conjugated double bond in 1,3-butadiene. 1,3-butadiene. Conjugated double bonds. Right? What is 1,3-butadiene? 1,3-butadiene formula is like this. This is the formula. This is the formula. How many carbons in 1,3-butadiene? Beta means 4. Ene, double bond, butadiene. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there. How many carbons? 4 carbons are there. 1,3-butadiene. How to splitting of electrons, 5 electrons in molecules in 1,3-butadiene. That is the topic. Right? Generally in O2, N2 and F2, okay, we draw the molecule. Same like this. Same thing we can write. Same thing. Right? Here 4 electrons are there. 4 pi orbitals are there. 4 p orbitals. 4 pi electrons are there. That's very important. Okay, how to splitting here? This is right. Before going to explanation, just introduction of 1,3-butadiene. Yes, introduction of 1,3-butadiene. Butadiene is composed of 4 carbons which two adjacent pi bonds. Adjacent pi bonds. These pi bonds are conjugated. What is the conjugated? Means double bond, right? All the 4 p orbitals are aligned with each other and build up into larger pi system. Since butadiene consists of 4 individual p orbitals, butadiene consists of 4 individual p orbitals. The pi system of butadiene will contain 4 pi molecular orbitals containing 4 pi electrons, right? 4 electrons, right? During filling, the lowest energy molecular orbital get filled first. Next, highest energy levels. Already we discussed in MOT rules. Yes, where is the electron settle down? Lower energy part of orbital. Settle down first. Okay, after filling of lower orbitals, we go for next level. Next level means higher energy level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Up ninche, yes. Down to up. The energy level is increases. The stability is decreases. That's very important point. That one point, right? Stable low energy orbitals are known as bonding orbital. What is the point? More stable, less energy orbitals are known as bonding molecular orbitals. Okay. Higher energy, the arrow mark is up. Higher energy. Higher energy, less stable. That bonds, that bonding orbitals are known as anti-bonding orbital. Anti-bonding. Anti-bonding, why should anti-bonding? Formed repulsive of nucleus. In between nucleus, repulsive. More repulsive of nucleus. That's point. More repulsive. There is the problem. Okay, that's why it jump to higher energy levels. No repulsive. Attraction between nucleus, that electrons are settled down. Ground state. The down state. Because more stable, less energy. More stable, less energy. Okay, here more stable electrons orbitals are known as HOMO. That is the HOMO. The least unoccupied molecule, LUMO. The least electrons occupied, that is the anti-bonding electrons. That is called LUMO. That is the words highest occupied molecular orbital, lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. HOMO and LUMO. Okay, HOMO means bonding orbitals flow, more electrons are settled in bonding orbital. LUMO means what? Least electrons, lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. Unoccupied, very kind information. Unoccupied, that is LUMO. Okay, here 1,3 betadiene. We are studied the 1,3 betadiene. How many electrons are there? 4 pi electrons are there. These 4 electrons are settled down or up. We can see. Okay, coming to the point. In the splitting of electron, we should identify which are more attracted nucleus, which are more repulsive of orbitals. We should identify as well as find out node, node, nodes calculation is very important. You find out nodes. What about nodes? Nodes means yes, in between orbitals. In between orbitals, yes, some gaps are zero concentration of electron between orbital. That gap is known as node. That gap is known as node. That is NOD node. And the in between orbital is no electron. We able to draw the line. That is, line is passing through the in between orbitals. There is the possible because of no electrons in between the s loops or orbitals. This is known as s node. What is that? NOD. NOD node. Right. This is the node. Okay. This is the lobe. Right. This is the lobe. You can find out. Yes, this is the one interesting point in 1,3 betadiene. How many nodes are there? Okay, there is more attraction, no nodes. Repulsive, nodes are possible. That point is very important. Attraction means it is close to, very close to each other. There is no possibility of nodes draw between the orbital. That's point. Okay, repulsive of the orbitals, we can draw the line between orbitals. That is the important thing. That two concepts you are understanding. We can splitting of all 4 electrons in 1,3 betadiene. Okay, there is a conjugated double bond is there. Okay, there is yes, conjugated double bond like this. Yes, this is what. This is conjugated double bond. This is the conjugated double bond. Here one bond, here one bond. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Yes, C1, C2, C3, C4. It is going like this. Allowed like this. Like this. The orbitals are like this. Okay, 4 electrons. Yes, orbitals are attached to like this. Right? We find out conjugated double bond. Yes, conjugated on 3 betadiene. This is the very important structure. Right. Very important. I think you are understanding introduction of 1,3 betadiene. There is a conjugated double bond. 4 carbons are there. 4 p orbitals are there. 4 pi electrons are there. In 5 electrons, inflating in lower energy. Yes, lower energy orbitals are known highest occupied molecular orbital. That is HOMO. Lowest unoccupied molecular orbital, that is LUMO. Very good. Right. And splitting diagram. Okay, it's the splitting diagram. Right. Molecular orbital diagram for butadiene. Okay, this is the formula. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there. 4 pi electrons are there. This is the 4 pi electron. Right. Okay, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5. Some textbooks also Yes, phi 1, phi 1, psi 1, phi 2, psi 2, phi star 3, psi 3, phi star 4, psi 4. Right. Psi would right. No problem. Now, we are expressed in this splitting of orbitals in wave function. That's why we draw the psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, psi 4, psi 5. Right? This is the denoted like this. Phi 1, phi 2, phi 3, phi 4. Phi 1 is the one carbon, like, sorry, electron splitting one levels. These are the energy levels. These are the energy levels. These levels, this is the psi 1, this is the psi 2, this is the psi 3. लेकिन यहाँ स्टार रहना चाहिए. There is a star is very important. This is psi 4, right? This is star. This is the indication. What is the indication of star? What is the indication of star? Do you know what is the
Antibonding.
very good anti-bonding? Not superstar, not megastar. Yes, it is a anti-bonding. Yes, LUMO. Yes, anti-bond. This is the energy levels are there. The electron splitting is lower to higher energy. Lower to higher energy. That is the indication. This is the energy. E. Energy increases. Okay. Here 4 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. Here is like this. Right? Okay. Now you are splitting up. Find out splitting is there. Here is how many electrons are there? 4 electrons are there. One electron, 2, 3, and 4. Right. Here splitting. Here is how many electrons are splitting? Here the energy level is splitting. 2 electrons are splitting. Okay, 1 electron, 2 electrons. 2 electrons are settled down. Lower energy state is first. Okay, there is a higher state. Lower energy, higher state. That is settled down. Happily stay here. Okay, no corona is attacked here. No corona is attacked here. Why? Because more stable. More stable. That's why. Yes, here is what happened. Next level is filled. 1 on 1 carbon, 2 are completely filled. Remaining is no electrons are there. No anti-bonding filled. Psi 3, psi 4 is not filled. That's why you can see that word is LUMO. L-U-M-O. LUMO. LUMO. Lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. Lowest unoccupied molecular orbital. That is the LUMO. Here is filled. How many are possible? Highest occupied molecular orbital. Highest occupied molecular orbitals are, that is called HOMO. That is the HOMO. HOMO. That is the HOMO. Right? Simply we draw like this. Right? Okay. This is the energy level 1, 2, 3, 4. So why you are calling psi, sir? Psi means psi and sigma wave function. The electrons moving in orbital is like this wave function. Like this wave function. This is draw the line between like this, right? Now this is draw like this inside the phase. In the phase, the wave function is in the phase. Psi mo equal to psi a plus psi b. Psi mo equal to psi a minus psi b. Psi a plus psi b means the wave function is in the phase. Psi a minus psi b, the wave function is out of the phase. Out of the phase. Here minus, here plus. Okay, this is psi a, psi a. This is like this, psi b. This is like psi a minus psi. Here is psi a plus psi. This psi a psi a plus. In the phase. In the phase we draw the one line like this, right? In the phase, this is the out of the phase. That is the psi a minus psi. That's why we draw the wave function psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, psi. This is level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. Yes, level 1, level 2 is completely full. The berth is completely occupied by electrons. Happy. Right. Right. 2 electrons are completely occupied. But our interest is what? Find out node. Find out node. There is a possible of electrons. No electrons or electrons. Okay, here is the wave function. That wave function is moving in between the molecule. You find out the node. Node definition is the concentration of electron is 0. Concentration, the possibility of electrons is 0. There is a possible, draw the one line between the orbital. That is called node. Node. This line is called a node. Why? Because draw the line between orbital. When it is possible, there is possible is only 0 concentration of electron. Reflection like 0 concentration. You draw the line. You draw the line. You draw the line like this. You draw the line. This line is known as node. We cannot draw the line. There is no possibility of node in between orbital. There is no node. More attraction. The nucleus more attraction. Where is attraction? In bonding orbitals are more attraction. That's why it is more stable, less energy. Very less energy capital. We jump cannot be jump. They are not jump to higher energy level, lower energy. Due to lower energy, they are jump to lower state. Energy less. Energy less. Okay. Now we see the diagram here. Okay, all are yes same side. Yes, all empty are same. Full are this side. Yes, denoted like this. Any colors also fill it here. Right? There is bond between here. Electron bond which is very good. Here is bond between two. C1, C2, C2, C3, C3, C4. How many bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. And the bonds C1, C2 bonds. Yes. Yes. C2, C3 bond. C3, C4 bond. Okay, there is how many bonds are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 bonds are there. No lines possible. Complete the berth is completely filled with orbitals. That's why there is no possibility of nodes. We cannot draw these nodes. Where is the reaction? Bonds are formed. Okay, that's why n is equal to 0. n means node. n equal to 0. Not hero. This is the 0. 0 nodes are there. Coming to the side, okay, you draw same side, the opposite, right? You draw like this, okay? Their possibility of nodes are there. Here is bond, C1, C2 bond, and C3, C4. No bond of C2, C3. There is a possibility, same side. There is possibility of one line. This is node. N-O-D E, node between lobes. Node. This is the node, right? Okay, n is equal to right 1. Okay, coming to the point, you draw the like this. Okay, same side, here opposite side, here opposite, here opposite. Okay, here only one bond between there. This is C2, C3. And there is one. How many nodes are possible? There is a one node here. There is a one node here. Some possibility are there. Repulsive. Here repulsive are there. Different ga unnai kabatti repulsive. Right. There is a possibility. Okay, psi 3. How many nodes? N is equal to how many nodes? 2 nodes are possible. 2 nodes are possible. Okay, next point is psi 4 and 5 4. Yes, alternatively down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Right, nodes calculation. Okay, possibility of nodes we can express by this structure. Right. Okay, now is no bonding, no bonding, no bond, no bond, no bond, no bond. No bond means possibility of node between lobe. Yes, you can draw this. Very interesting. Yes, how many nodes are there? N is equal to N equal to N equal to. Yes, what is that? N equal to N 3. N is equal to 3. N is equal to 3. Okay. Now we calculate nodes, we calculate attraction, we calculate repulsive, we calculate number of bonds in every level. How many bonds are there? 3 bonds. How many bonds are there? 2 bonds. How many bonds are there? 1 bond. Here is 0 bond. Opposite nodes code. Year 3, year 0. Yes, node. And the bonds are less, nodes are more. Inversely proportional to nodes are inversely proportional to bond. ఆ ఒక్క వర్డ్ నేర్చుకుంటే చాలు. That word is sir. Sir, why you are giving this much of complication of bond formation? Bonds, James Bonds, star, superstar, megastar, power star. What are stars? Why you are splitting of electrons, sir? We are engineers, sir. What is the need for our? What is the need for this, sir? Need. One bond breakdown, conjugated bond breakdown. It is combines with the other monomer. Butyl rubber, butyl rubber, butyl rubber, some plastics, some majority of the 90% of rubbers are prepared by this molecule. We have no concept of electrons fitting inside the molecules. How can you get the formation of the materials? Rubber, very famous rubbers, butyl rubber, and all synthetic rubbers, very famous rubber, synthetic rubber, butyl rubber, butyl rubber, butadiene rubber, butyl rubber, styrene rubber. Yes, so many rubbers are there. And these we are using different combines with different monomers. In presence of catalyst, we get the wonderful materials formed. Wonderful. Okay. Prepared shoes, prepared tires, prepared different type of sponge, prepared different type of materials and the interiors, and so many applications. So many applications. That's why this knowledge is required for engineers. Once the bond is breakdown, one bond break jete ito electron. Share means sharing of electron, formation of bond. Breaking of bond, free radicals. These free radicals reacting with one more monomer. Here one more rubber here. And there is a formation of the bond. That is the polymer. Very interesting. Not only polymer, this compound is very important. Right? Very important. Right? Engineering applications are, many applications are there. Yes. One scientist, New Year. Scientist name is New Year, Charles New Year. Not scientist. He is a common man. He is just a worker. You find out one rubber in the company. Some company is a worker in the company. Is identified some rubbers in presence of sulfur. Generally, rubber is what? Natural rubber is no stickiness, no stretching. It's not a good rubber. Natural rubber is not stretching, not hardening, not properties, not good property. Suddenly, some sulfur is just slip into this rubber. Next day, he observed this rubber is high strength, very high strength. You cannot break down, you cannot, uh, more stretching is possible. Very simple reaction. Accidentally, some quantity of sulfur is adding to the polyisoprene, isoprene rubber, isoprene. That will be gives more hardness. He was observed and find out something is occurred yesterday. What will be happens? Just some quantity of rubber is added to that. He find out. He is not a scientist. He is not engineer. Just a common man. Daily labor. Charles New Year, very famous company. American company, very biggest company. New Year is the biggest company. You find out so many applications with rubber. But sulfur, how many electrons are sulfur? Lone pair electrons, so it react type. Lone pair. Better vulcanized rubber. Vulcanized rubber. Adding up sulfur. మనం దాని టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో వల్కనైజ్డ్ రబ్బర్ వల్కనైజేషన్ ప్రాసెస్ ఇవన్నీ చదువుకుంటాం. దట్ టైం ఈ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చార్లీస్ న్యూ ఇయర్, అతని పేరు మీద ఒక కంపెనీ పెట్టుకుంది అమెరికా. న్యూ ఇయర్ రబ్బర్ వెరీ ఫేమస్. సోల్స్ తయారు చేస్తారు, షూ సోల్. స్కెచర్ షూస్ కూడా ఆ సోల్స్ తయారు చేసే దాని నుంచే. న్యూ ఇయర్ కంపెనీ వాడు ఇచ్చేటువంటి సోల్ వాడు తయారు చేస్తారు. కామన్ మ్యాన్ చేస్తుంది, ఇంజనీర్ గారు. తర్వాత ఆయన చనిపోయిన 30 years తర్వాత అమెరికా కంపెనీ ఏం చేస్తుందంటే ఆయన పేరు మీద ఒక కంపెనీ పెట్టుకుంది. ఆయన పేరు న్యూ ఇయర్. కొత్త సంవత్సరం కాదు, ఆయన పేరే న్యూ ఇయర్ కంపెనీ. చార్లెస్ న్యూ ఇయర్. Okay, established one company. Very good. Very simple reaction. The conjugated double bond sharing of electrons with the other monomers to form hard. This is the one thing. Okay, many applications are there. Right. Very interesting point. Double bond. Right. Notes. Right. Come to the next slide. Clear with the body. Right. Next. Okay, same diagram. Here 4 p orbitals. You draw like this. 1 3 beta die. 1 3 beta die. Remote పెట్టుకుంటున్నాడు, ఏ మ్యాచ్ పెట్టుకున్నాడు, న్యూ ఇయర్ లాగా అయిపోతాడు. Right. 5 molecular orbitals of 1 3 beta die, like 4 p orbitals, like this. మనం డౌన్వర్డ్స్ రాసుకున్నాం, వాడు అప్వర్డ్స్ ఎలాగైనా పర్లేదు. Right. This is the psi 1, psi 2, psi 3 energy levels. Right. This is the one type of diagram. Okay, you draw the like this also. Yes, up. That is the like this bonding, anti-bonding. These are homo, these are lumo. These are the homo, these are the lumo. Highest occupied electrons here. Yes, unoccupied electrons. Least unoccupied electrons here. It's important, right? Okay, draw like this also. A psi like this, right? Inside the phase, outside the phase. Right? Like this. Inside the phase, attraction. Outside the phase, repulsion. Completely inside the phase. That's why you cannot draw the nodes. Here is draw the only one node. Here is inside, here is inside, like this. Okay, Lumo home, right? Nodes 1 0, nodes 1, nodes 2, nodes. Yes, psi 1, psi 2, psi star, phi star is another right. Phi 1, phi 2, right? Like this. Okay, very interesting. This is the bimolecular orbitals of 1 3 beta, right?